here for the ANOVA row effect. Row effects. ANOVA row effect will be AOV, and then say weight 1, uh educational level first. Educational level. Educational level, sorry. Educational level. UCTIONL. Educational level. Then it will be from which data? And data is equal to this file. We file name also data. Then I can just close it. Then the educational level is this data. Then I can just make a summary of ANOVA row effect. Control C, Control V. Okay. Same, I can copy it. Control C for column effects. I can just change the name here. COLUM and column effects. Then it will be a smoking status. Let's see here. This is smoking status. You see? Smoking status. And I can write here the I just delete it first. Okay, Control C and just Control V. And over column effects. Now it's almost finished, so I can close this curly brace, second bracket. So now if I try to run it, you see, this is kind of another column effects. It's a one. Okay, wait. So if I want to see the where is the errors, okay. Last time my this under the if as a statement, they just like okay. So what is the error? So if under if else statement, so I need to set a new in order different. Okay, now it will be work. I think is it still not working? Incomplete string. So if I take it here, there is the value. Let's try again. No, now it's working because previously I didn't put in one word it here. So that was about the question 3 about ANOVA testing for question 3. Now question 4. That means 4A. 4A. So question 4A, they said here is there any significant relationships between the between serum cholesterol and systolic pressure, IQ, and sodium stuff? Weight in 0.5 level of significance. So when it's come to there, so we need to find the level of significance, significant relationships we need to find. Is there any synergy between the serum and systolic pressure and IQ and sodium? So now question 4. Question 4A is say, is there any significant relationships between the serum cholesterol, systolic pressure and IQ and sodium on the stuff at the 0.5 of level of significance? So here we can say we are going to create a linear model. It's independent, and it will be a multiple linear regression analysis. So for linear regression model, we can just take a variable that is model, and model will be the linear regression with linear model, linear regression model. So we can also call linear model. Now it will be based one weight. This is on the stuff weight. So weight is the first. Weight is the relationships. Sorry, and sorry, weight will be capital. Weight. Weight. And then after what they say, there are any if effect relationships between this say between this dot. So this we can write here. That will show us the in positive way. So weight only is dependent variable, independent dependent variable here. So and independent variable are the serum. These are independent variables: serum cholesterol, systolic pressure, and IQ and the sodium. So this independent variable I can write here, like here's see the serum cholesterol, systolic pressure, IQ, and sodium. Just copy for me. Serum cholesterol. See, plus, and then pressure plus sodium. It is systolic pressure, but mistakenly I maybe during editing time I put A. So whatever you can just you have to put the original name one. Don't be changed. Systolic pressure. Okay. This and then we can sodium and the data is equal to this data. This is for the systolic pressure. Now if I want to see the model here, say model, and then I can run. So they show me here this like is the formula, and there's minimum maximum intercept. So here is historic level and analytic intercept. Serum cholesterol and analytics model and systolic pressure and IQ and sodium. So this is the pressure, and we have to say is the summary of this summary of model, not directly this model. Like summary of model. Sorry. So now, sorry, we don't need to say only model. We have to say summary. Summary, then model. More summary. So now, if I want to run it, so this is the result for 4A. Okay, so that 4A. Now for 4B say identify the independent variable that's contribute the regression model. I have to identify the uh, independent variable for regression model. So I can say the summary output of regression model is show that the p-value for each coefficient and the independent variable with the p-value is less than 0.5. Let's consider the significant contributors with the p-values. So say I can write here like 4b 4b. The summary output we can write it here. Let's say like the independent variable you have to find identify the for this contribution of the regression model. So I have to write here 95 degrees of freedom. So it will be independent variable with the p values that's less than 0.05 as considered the significant contribution. This is the p value. So you can write there. There is no need code. Say p value that's less than 0.05 is considered as a significant contribution. Significant contribution. This one's like for B. Now for 4C. 4C, they say interpret the coefficient and correlation and coefficient of determination. So the coefficients, correlation, coefficient, and determination. So here we have to find the correlation of matrix that will be one data and include the selected will be the weight and serum cholesterol, systolic pressure, and IQ and sodium. So we can write here just like correlation matrix. Correlation matrix, and that will be with okay correlation matrix that will be we can say the COR core function. This is our data. Now here we have to use percent greater than sign, percent greater than sign, then percent. Then I can say like select. I have to select column. Select. Then what I can say weight, serum, cholesterol. Okay, cholesterol is. I'm sorry about for